Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is William, and I'm your host for tonight. And I'm rocking with my homeboy. You and I'm rocking with the best of the best, the legend. And when I say the best of the best, you know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about rock. Yo, W-I-L-L-I-A-M. My name rings a bell like Graham. I knock 2 shots to the head, the room becomes red. One more shot to make sure you're dead. I'm a bone on this grammar, make I spit the pidgin English. Go hard, this the Niger remix. I'm seeing this like a futuristic, artistic. I never been soft, I go hard like physics. Ever since we I did on stage, I'm the rich, so promoters quick to pay my wage. Cause I be danger, I know be pizza and Paul, but like Alicia Keys, you keep falling, well I'm falling. I be like Jim Jones, now when you get this song, that's your ringtone. I've been grown, now why I get this goodie. My rap's grown up, you're a kid like Cuddy. See me in front and you're behind like a booty. I be general, I take charge and that's my duty. I'm sick on this mic, I'm hot like lead. I'm so sick I feel I should live in the bed. I'm sick on this mic, I'm hot like lead. I'm so sick I feel I should live in the bed. I'm an outlaw like I'm Kalakuta, because I'm not chamre like I said I'm Buddha. Yo, 2 shots, that's what they call me. I be chillin' right here, it's what I be. Sick flow in your veins like an IV. I cardiac arrest with an ID. I'm so hot, I can make the sun sweat. If you sabi dance, then it will done set. I'm going in hard when you done wet. I strong face, open eyes, tear shed. An assassin right now, I'm killing time. Why you not here, then you must sign. The chop out this guy, he got on the line. Spray me all the money to the last time. I seen your behind so you can't front. If I give an attitude, yo, I'm just blunt. Inhale, exhale, puff a blunt. You can't touch me or you get burnt. Your girlfriend's my ex, no XY. See on my chest cause I'm so fly. I'm so fly, low cash. DJs, my sound's on your CD, man. DJs, give me a minute, let me switch it up a little bit. Cause now I'm getting the sound elevation. Now let me sit down. I'm thinking higher than pilots in the cockpit. Spitting and dropping toilet flows, I'm the shit.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, change has to come. As a people, as a nation, as one world, we have to make changes. Nothing in life is permanent, and we as a people need to accept change.